guys, welcome back to my sewing channel Clothes. Today I'm going to show you how I make a pair of leggings for my daughter using my regular sewing machine. Here are the things that we need. First, stretching cotton spandex fabric. I bought this fabric from Amazon. It's about $10 a yard. Second, you need a pair of old leggings that fits your daughter. I'm going to copy pattern from this legging just to make it longer because the width still fits her. And also some rulers, and you need some fabric chalks, and also you need some elastics for the waistband. You can use white or black or whatever elastic bands you have. I'm going to use white elastic band this time so I can show you more clearly while I was sewing this pair of black leggings. You can use some colorful elastic bands for decoration. Making your own clothes is about all the possibilities, all the creation, and that's where the fun is. And of course, you'll be needing a regular sewing machine. My sewing machine is very basic, so the only thing I need for this project is I'm going to use the Zigzag function. My sewing machine is 12 years old and it's a very basic sewing machine. So if you have a sewing machine, I guarantee that you can make this pair of leggings by yourself. So first, I'm going to copy pattern from this old pair of leggings. So I'm going to switch my camera so you can see clearly how I copy patterns from this leggings. Pay attention that the stretch direction of the fabric goes horizontally. First, I'm laying my fabric on the table with the wrong side facing up. Instead of tracing the front side of the leggings, I'm tracing the back side of the leggings on the fabric. I'm doing this because back side pattern is bigger than the front side pattern. Later, I'll adjust the front side pattern based on the back side pattern. Next, I'm adjusting my pattern, my new pattern, based on the tracing marks I just had from the old leggings. Since this pair of leggings still fits Chloe on the waist and the butt and the leg area, I'm only going to add the length of the leggings. After finishing drawing the pattern on the fabric, I'm folding the fabric along this side line. Please pay special attention here that you leave enough fabric on the folding side so when you fold and cut the fabric, you have enough fabric to work on the other side. And I'm going to cut the fabric using my scissor. In order to fix the fabric, not moving the fabric, I use 2 fabric clips to clip the side line. Now I'm cutting the fabric along the marks that I made, allowing 1 inch seam allowance at the bottom and about ½ inch everywhere else. I trimmed the uneven cuttings and opened the pattern, and here we get one side pattern of the leggings. Now I'm trimming the front side of the pattern a little bit, make the front crotch a little bit shorter, and ideally, you can also trim the front part a little bit slimmer than the back part, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. This allows more fabric on the butt and less fabric on the front. The tummy will be flat and the back will have more fabric and it will be more comfortable. This pattern combines the front and back part of the leg. It's the pattern for one leg of the leggings. Now I'm placing the pattern I just cut on the top of the remaining fabric with the correct side facing each other. I'm tracing cut another exact same pattern. Now I have two identical patterns for this pair of leggings, and these are the patterns that we need for sewing this pair of leggings. I'm folding the patterns along the side line with the wrong side out, and I mark the patterns. B is for back, F is for front. Now I lay the patterns with the correct side facing each other and pin the front crotch line and back crotch line together separately. You can see that the leggings shape is already formed. Now let's go to the sewing machine to sew the front crotch line and back crotch line together separately. I'm using the zigzag stitch. The stitches are done. Now I align the front crotch line and the back crotch line together. And this is how it looks. It already looked like a pair of leggings. Next, I'm going to sew a long line. I'm going to sew along the two inside seams and our legging will be basically ready. Here I'm pulling the zigzag stitch that I just sewed, and it has a good amount of stretch. I pin the front crotch line and back crotch line together at the crotch, and I'm going to sew along the inseams. Again, I'm using the zigzag. This is a long zigzag line. Just needs a little bit of patience, and also it's a very good opportunity to practice your sewing skills. Basically, I've finished the sewing, the major part of this pair of leggings. You can see that this is the wrong side of the leggings, and it's already a pair of leggings. And I'm going to flip it over. Next, I'm going to finish the waist. I measured my elastic band along the waist, and I'm going to make it the same size as the waist opening. I cut the waistband and I'm going to sew them together using the zigzag stitch again. Now I'm pinning the elastic band and the leggings together with the correct sides facing each other. Again, I'm going to the sewing machine and I'm going to zigzag the elastic band and the legging waist together. Here you go, the waist is finished. How easy is that? This is the look of the front and this is the look of the back. And next, I'm going to finish the leg openings, which is also the last part of this pair of leggings. Here, with the leggings inside out, I'm folding the leg openings to the inside of the leggings about 1 inch and I'm pin it and I'm going to zigzag it again. Since the leg openings a little bit narrow, it's a little bit hard to sew, but you can still do it. Just sew it slowly and have some patience. And let's turn the leggings to the correct side, and now here you have it. A finished pair of leggings, just like that. Let's trim the loose ends of the threads and we are finished! Yay! Now we've finished sewing this pair of leggings using my regular sewing machine using the zigzag stitch, but keep in mind that zigzag stitch doesn't have the same good amount of stretchiness as the serger, as the overlock stitch. So when you cut the fabric, please cut generously to make more seam allowances so it won't be too tight. Now you have it. If I can do it, you can do it. The good thing about sewing legging for yourself is you can use whatever fabric you like. You can use whatever elastic band you like. I know that leggings are not expensive to buy, but if you can make one, why buy? You can make the legging for your daughter, for yourself, and yeah, it's so satisfying. And it's so easy to make. I'm going to let Chloe to try when she gets back from school. She's gonna be so thrilled because she has been asking me for new leggings because she grows too fast. Today, I used my regular sewing machine and using the zigzag, this number 4 on my brother's sewing machine, I used this zigzag stitch to sew this entire legging. And next time, I'm going to use my serger. I do have a serger. So I'm going to use my serger to sew another pair of leggings for her. I think I still have plenty of fabric. This is 1 yard of fabric. I can totally make another leggings out of this fabric. Also, Chloe has been asking me to make leggings or pants for her dolls over there. So yeah, I'm going to have plenty of fabric to make Chloe another pair of leggings and also leggings for her dolls, American Girl dolls. So next time I'm going to use my serger, use the overlock stitch to make another pair of leggings for Chloe. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want to watch how I sew another pair of leggings using my serger. And also I have a lot of planned sewing. Another thing Here is another project I'm going to do in the future. Getting very excited. So this is a pair of leather leggings I bought from Nordstrom. It's Spanx. It's Spanx leggings. This legging is highly rated. Everybody loved this pair of leggings from Nordstrom. I bought it from Nordstrom half-year sale. I mean, it still is very expensive. I think the original price is $100, and this pair of leggings is so good, and I cannot justify another $100 for a pair of leather leggings. So I'm going to make this pair of leggings myself, and yeah, and I already got my fabric. This is my fabric. This is the leather fabric I got, and this is really nice fabric. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hear my doorbell ringing, and that's my kids. I'm going to finish up this video here, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!
Hey guys, right now I'm back from school, and my mom showed me these beautiful pairs of pants. They fit perfectly, and they're so nice and comfortable. As you see, in the top, it's kind of white. She used that white line right here. This thing. Look how beautiful it is. You know why it's a little scrunched up on the bottom? The reason why it's a little scrunched up on the bottom is because my mom wanted me to wear this for a long, long time. So, as you see on the back, just put this up. Also, I think I want her to make me a shirt. Even though I have tons of black shirts, I don't want it totally black. I want her to use this white, beautiful fabric. And whatever this is, I don't know, but I'm really happy she made this for me. So, bye! Make sure to hit that subscribe button and press that notification bell if you want to hear more videos. And please hit that like button. Wait, before that, in Halloween, speaking of Halloween, my mom's gonna make a costume for me, and I'm gonna be Cleo